What's up everyone and welcome to Project Legacy. Now, this is the build log for what is sat behind me. I'm not going to show too much of it. I'm just going to throw together the time lapse of the build ready for the release of Hogwarts Legacy. It has been sponsored by MSI, Intel, EKWB, Teamgroup and Cablemod. They have all provided equipment for this build. We've got an RTX 3080 Ti in there, the Intel i9 12900K, Z690 motherboard, cable extensions from Cablemod, SSD from Teamgroup, SSD from Intel as well in fact. Links to case review and other component reviews will be in the description below and maybe pop up somewhere. Anyway, without further ado, enjoy. Don't forget. Oh god, I nearly fell off. Jordan's Builds merch available. jordansbuilds.co.uk. Link in bio. Okay, there you have it. Nice and filled and ready to go in the build. Okay, well, thank you for sticking with me on this absolutely mammoth project. So, of course, the game got delayed and delayed, but we're now at the point where we can finally say we're ready to go. So a massive thank you to MSI, EK Waterblocks, Intel, Teamgroup, all the sponsors that have provided kit for this build, Cablemod as well for them incredible custom cable extensions, as well as the beautiful keyboard cable. All that's left to finish on the build is adding a little photo frame to the front. We've got a little screen on there that's going to act as our moving photo in the Harry Potter world. Photos having ability to move, that's what I wanted to recreate. So that is going to be applied to the front of the case, ready for the full reveal video that I'll be doing. I'm not going to show you too much now. What you see is what you get currently. I don't want to reveal it all in this video or the previous. I will be doing a standalone reveal video because obviously we've got a hell of a lot of footage and build log to cram into this video. I don't want to overload it all in one. I'll be doing one video for the full reveal. I think that makes a lot more sense. I am unbelievably happy. It is without doubt my best build to date. I'm so proud of the work that's gone into it. It's taken, as I say, a little bit longer. The cable management, not exactly how I would want it. It has been really difficult to cram so many cables into such a small area, because I've got cable extensions, because at the time Cablemod didn't offer fully custom cables to the power supply that I'm using. It has been difficult. Obviously you can't see it. Yeah, it'll be fine. It is a glass side panel though, so it's not ideal if your cable management isn't perfect, but at the end of the day it's not detrimental. It still looks good. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe. You want to keep an eye out for the full reveal video that's going to drop. Drop me a comment, let me know what you thought of the build. I think we're good. I shall see you in the next one.
Mischief managed.